Ich war auf dem Gipfel hoher Berge und ich folgte jeder Spur. Ich kam von der Mündung an die Quelle und mein Weg endet hier. Sorry babe, I got a little bit carried away there. Really didn't mean to torture you with my weird singing along. Babe, are you okay? You've been awfully quiet like the entire time. No, there's something bothering you. I can see that, and we have never been on any kind of road trip without you just talking to me. I mean, you basically haven't said a word ever since we left home. Yeah. So, what is it? Yes, I know. I know it's going to be a little bit weird or awkward, but babe, no, don't even start that. I mean, yes, I get it that you are nervous about meeting them for the first time now, but it'll be okay. I mean, I have been nervous as hell when we went to meet up with your parents for the first time, and I think it went pretty okay. Yeah, I know. It definitely could have been better, but yeah. So far, I consider anything that doesn't end with us being kicked out of the house as a success. Yeah. No, my parents wouldn't do that. Really. Yeah. I mean, I already know that they are going to love you. Yeah, I mean it. I know you haven't personally met them yet, but they're pretty nice folk, so there is nothing you have to be scared about. Oh, no. You won't just make a bad impression or anything. No. I mean, it's still gonna be about 2.5 hours until we're there, so there is still plenty of time to, I don't know, to think about how we were going to meet them, but there is absolutely no reason to beat yourself up about it. It'll definitely be okay. I mean, they're my parents. I am supposed to know them like pretty well, and I think I actually do. Yeah, so once we're there, you're gonna see that all of your worries and stuff have been absolutely for no reason, and that's just I know that. I just do. I can't even tell you how, but I just know that this will end well. Exactly. I mean, it cannot be that bad. They've been the ones inviting us. They want us to come over and spend some time there. I mean, yeah, of course. It's kind of mainly because we gotta celebrate my mother's birthday and stuff, but yeah, you get what I mean. And yeah, exactly. See, we'll just get there, and there's probably already be some other people there already, like my aunt and several of my cousins and stuff like that. family is kind of large, but we rarely ever see each other, so that's one of the few occasions that pretty much everyone just gets together and has some food and talks and catch up with each other, and then they just go home and that's it. So there is really nothing you have to be scared of. I know it's going to be a lot of strangers for you, but I can just tell you who's who and a little bit of background info about them, so it won't be so weird for you. But I promise you, there is gonna be nobody who will be like an ass or something. Like, no. They all pretty much know how to behave, and nobody is going to, I don't know, say something out of place or anything like that. I mean, they will be way too busy to just catch up with each other to really notice us. I mean, yeah. Actually, if you know, I got an idea. Once you have met my parents and people are gathering to just sit together and do their stuff, how about we just sneak out and I show you a bit of my home? Like, there was a lot of nice places we can just hide out, and yeah, I don't know, it's just, it's gonna be a pretty nice place. You're gonna like it there. And no, you know, my parents are already used to it that I tend to just sneak away when there is large family gatherings, so they definitely aren't going to mind that we might go missing for an hour or two, make it 3. Yeah, I know. It isn't exactly the nicest thing to do, but it's just gonna be way too many people. Like, everybody's going to talk over one another, and yeah, we'll be way better off just exploring the outdoors or something. Like, I don't know, it seems like the weather is gonna hold up, so we won't get soaked in rain or anything, so we can definitely do that. And once everybody is gone, we can just get you and my parents, like, get to know each other properly. How's that sound?